Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dom. I want to thank you for tuning in and watch this quick tip about the SQ series. Let's jump on the tip of the day. In this video I'm going to show you where do you find the Q and how activate it, and also where do you can find your high pass filter. So first things, let's select the channel and let's go on our EQ. As you can see in here, we have got 4-band parametric EQ. And in here we've got our high pass filter. To activate the high pass filter, you just activate it here, and you can use this knob to choose the frequency that you want to cut. Second things, in here we have got our 4-band parametric. To activate it, you need to press in on this side of the screen, and you can choose the frequency that you want to cut. Just a quick remind, the first things in here is your bandwidth, is your Q. The second one is your frequency, and the third one is your gain. And as you can see, if you press the bandwidth that you want to use it, you can also use on this way. You can do the gain, you can do the frequency, and you can do the width of the Q. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe if you find the video useful. Just remember that these are all tips basic for a new user of SQ series. If you want to see more stuff in depth, I've got quite a lot of stuff on my channel, and I'm recording every day new stuff. So if you are interested, just subscribe to the channel so you will be updated with all my new videos. Thank you.